How do you do that? How do you do that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we will be reviewing the new Apple AirPod Max. We will be reviewing these right here. I'm going to also compare them to the AirPods and the AirPod Pros. So we're going to go over these three things. If you guys haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the post notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post new videos. And yeah, let's get into the video. So today I went and purchased the new Apple AirPod Max. It's different. Reminds me of the Beats, the way it's set up. The Beats headphones. So let's see what the hype is about. Let's see, is it worth it? Is it worth the money that it costs? Or are you better off with just having the AirPod Pros or the regular AirPods? We shall see. As you guys may or may not know, these AirPod Pro Max retail at $549. Yes, $549. And if you live in New York, after tax, it is $596.35. So that is a bit pricey compared to the other AirPods, because you know, like the AirPod, the first AirPod were $199. The AirPod Pro is $249. So that's a bit pricey. So if it's doing the same thing, does it make sense to pay that extra $300 for the AirPod Pro Max? I don't know. But let's get into it. Let's open the box. The box is heavy, believe it or not. It has my name and stuff on it. So this is the box. It's pretty heavy. I have space gray. This is the back. AirPod Max with smart case. Oh, the wrapping did have the price on it, which is, like I told you, $549. Open. Ta-da! So, these are the AirPod Max right here in the flesh. This is it. Let's move this big old case. Well, let's talk about what's in the box so I can get this box off the table. Alright, so the box comes with, you know, the sticker, which tells you all about the AirPod Max, how to work it, how to charge it, connect it, the buttons. Tells you all of that fun stuff. And then it comes with the lightning cable. Once again, it does not come with the square piece adapter, just like the iPhone 12 Pro did not come with that either. It just came with the lightning plug. I do have a video on the unboxing of the 12 Pro, so if you guys haven't watched that video, or if you're interested in purchasing the 12 Pro, head on over to that video in my playlist and find out about the iPhone 12 Pro, because I love it. So yeah, let's move this. This is what the video is for, this right here. So let's talk about it. So it comes wrapped up well. Once again, I have the space gray. Okay. This is the case. Nice and smooth, you know. And then you open it. You open it. And they slide right out. These are nice. And here's the back. Then here on the cushions, the air cushions, they have these. Has cardboard on it to protect the cushion. The cushion is very soft. So, this is dope. Okay, so these are the AirPod Max in space gray. But before we get into these, I'm going to compare them to the AirPods and the AirPod Pros. Okay, we're going to see if it is worth purchasing these headphones for $549. So let's get into it. AirPods, they come in white, right? Pod Max, they come in different colors. Space gray, silver, pink, sky blue, and green. So they give you different color options. As for the other AirPods, they did not do that. They have telescopic arms, which, yeah, it doesn't go up but so much. This is as far as it goes. And then they have the cushions, which is nice and soft. Memory foam cushion. And you can change these as well. They come in different colors, but they're not available for purchase yet. But when they do become available, they come in, they come in silver, black, green, sky blue, and red for $69. So you can switch your cushions out if you want to. That's something you cannot do on the other AirPods. So Apple says that you have 20 hours of listening time, whether it's on movies, music, or talk time. So they said that with one charge, you have 20 hours to listen to music, watch a movie, or talk on the AirPods. So versus the AirPods, these AirPods is 5 hours listening time, 3 hours talking time. So that means these bad boys right here give you 20 hours. So that means it gives you more battery life than the AirPods. The AirPod Pros battery life is 4.5 hours of listening and talk. Either way it goes, the AirPod Max gives you more hours of battery time when it comes to listening and talking. Okay? The AirPod Max comes with the lightning cable just like the Pros did. The first AirPods did not come with that. They came with the regular charging lightning plug that took time to charge. So the AirPod Maxes are compatible with all iPhones, Apple Watches, MacBooks, iPads, and Apple TV. So you can connect these to all of those devices and you'll be able to listen to music, talk, watch movies, all of that good stuff. Besides the memory foam ear cushions that you can switch out because they are magnetic. You see? They're magnetic, so you can switch them out. So this here is like memory foam mesh, like canopy style, to make sure it's comfortable going on your head and you shouldn't have no issues. Can I put them on? Let's see. Ooh. See, I don't. Wow. I don't need them that long, that tall, long, so I'm going to shorten mine. Talk.
Hello?
Guys, like, it blocks out everything. I can't hear anything. Like, I can hardly hear myself talking. Like, it's quiet. So that means when you're listening to music or anything, you can really block all noise, all outside noise out. You're blocking it out because I don't hear anything. And I have braids and this, it's not uncomfortable. The headrest is good. Like, these are dope. I'm not a fan of headphones. Like, I love my AirPods because, you know, I just plop them in, keep it pushing. I've never really been a fan of headphones because, like, if I want to lay down, I I can't really lay down. It's uncomfortable. When I had the Beats, I would put my head down. The Beats would slide down. I don't think these are moving. These aren't moving. But the only thing is, they're, I don't know, they're big. And the AirPods to me are like more convenient, like grab and go, pop in one ear. If you don't want them in both ears, you put it in one go dead, switch out to the other one. So that's the only thing about the headphones is if it dies, it's dead. I can't switch out the earpiece. So that's the only thing about that. Let's get into the buttons. So it has the digital crown, like on the, can you see it? Like on the Apple Watches. Before we get into the buttons, I'm going to connect it to my phone so we can really see how to use these buttons. Is it dead? So I have my phone, and you know, like usually with the AirPods, when you open them, it comes up on your phone to just automatically connect. These are not, so I'm wondering if they're dead. No, they're not dead, but it's not just automatically saying connect. Alright, so I have to go to settings to connect them. Alright, so they're connected. So, let's see what the digital crown does. This here. Hey Siri, put on music. So, when you take them, I had music playing. So when I took them off, the music paused. But you use the digital crown, you tap it, you talk to Siri, tell her to put music on or make a phone call, whatever you want her to do. And then when you turn this dial to take the volume up and down. So we just learned that. So it's back connected. One of y'all call me.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to have my son call me.
How you doing? So what?
Okay. Hold on. Let me go. Okay. Alright, so I told you would press this once to talk to Siri, put in whatever you want her to do. And then you turn it up and down for your volume. Now when you receive a phone call, to hang up, to answer and hang up, you press the dial button one time and it will hang up. I'm trying to see how many times I have to hit the button to play music. So like I'm really sitting here doing everything live. I have not played with this before making this video. As you guys can see, I just opened it with you guys. So I'm trying to figure out the buttons as we go through the video. So I'm trying to see how do I get the music to play. And I'm hitting the button but there's no music playing. So let's see. Alright, so you hit the dial one time to play or pause music. Press it, double press for the song to go forward. Press 3 times to go backwards. So this button here, can you see it? So this button here is the noise control. So you would hit this button for noise cancellation and to go into transparency mode. And I did that and I could not hear a thing. So they're not heavy on the ear. It definitely covers your whole ear. It's not heavy, but it is a little tight for me. So I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. It's cool. It's nice. It's different. But like, I like my AirPod Pros. Like, I pop them in. My right ear, because I never have both in, I will pop them in. You know, on these, you hit the button one time to answer, hang up. 2 times to play your music. Yeah, the buttons are similar to the AirPod Pros. Because it's the same thing with the button. Like, you know, you press to play or pause. Double press the button on the AirPod Pros to skip forward. Hit 3 times to go backward. Press it. Hey Siri. She does what she has to do. When you get a message, she lets you know you have a message. Same thing with the AirPod Max. It does the same thing. And it does the cancellation. So it's the same thing as the AirPod Pros, but the Pros is just, you know, you can put 2 in. It's lighter. It's smaller. Easier to grab and go, whereas these are a lot bigger. The case is bigger. So it's like, it's really your preference. Me, personally, I would go stick with my AirPod Pros versus the AirPod Max. That's just my opinion. And then, you know, my old school, I still have these, whereas these come with no buttons. You know, it's just tip, tip, call it a day, tapping. So these, they definitely did an upgrade from the AirPods, because the AirPod Max because the AirPod Pros and the AirPod Max do a lot more. So yeah, it's like, it's really up to you when it comes to picking which AirPods you want. Also which I forgot, because you know how I said you can change the cushion on these. You can change the cushion on these as well. First, when I got them, they would fall out of my ear, so I switched the cushion and now they fit fine. And they're very comfortable compared to my AirPods. These used to hurt my damn ears. Like, I don't know what it was. I would put them in, and then after a while, all of this would be hurting. So yeah, I don't miss that part of them. I like my Pros very well. I love them. I just wish they came in other colors too, like the Max did, but maybe Apple would get into that at another time. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section down below, which AirPods are you going with? Are you going with the Max? Are you going with my favorite, the Pros? Or are you going with our old school AirPods? Which one are you taking? Let me know in the comment section. If you did purchase the AirPod Max, let me know how you like them as well. What color did you get? You know, let me know how you feel on them. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at lavishlooks_by Kiki. And yeah, until next time, you already know the deal. Be blessed, be safe, and be healthy. Bye, guys.
Hmm.